Bigger speed will help you to flush the air out from the tube. Make sure both valves are pointing to the glue hose. Make sure there's no bubble inside the mixing tube. Then you can turn the mixing motor on. You see there is a bubble sucked back from the tip, so we need to adjust it down a little bit. You see, there is no air suck back. This is a device to adjust the suck back force. So the glue, when the motor stops working, when the pump stops working, the glue will stop immediately and won't drip.